My favorite meal ever is appetizers, seriously. Gina Sunderland, a registered dietitian with Manitoba Chicken, sharing some great recipes with us, and appetizers is kind of what we're showing off today.
We are. We've got some terrific, delicious, brand new Manitoba chicken appetizers. I know when we think of chicken appetizers, we automatically think of wings and chicken fingers, and of course those are wonderful and delicious. But we've got two brand new, fantastic appetizers that I know you're going to want to make for the upcoming long weekend and just for any time, because like we said, it's always fun to do, even just like an appetizer party. Warm weather's here. We can enjoy those outdoor appetizers, or of course, anytime. So,
love it.
Yeah.
What are we making today?
So Terry, we are going to make our brand new warm, creamy buffalo chicken dip, and we're also going to talk a little bit about our brand new air fryer chili chicken bites. Both are just phenomenal. You won't be able to just stop at one bite. Okay,
fantastic. So the first one's first.
So this comes together really easily. We start out with 8 ounces of cream cheese, and it's basically just adding ingredients. We've got our 2 cups of cooked chicken, so about 2 chicken breasts, and I love this because you can use leftover chicken for this recipe.
Easy.
Yeah. So I'm just going to add that in and let you start mixing away. Okay. We've got 1 small can of sliced water chestnuts for that little bit of crunch.
Yes, love that texture.
3 sliced green onions.
And the color's coming in.
Yeah, we've got 1/2 cup of grated cheese, and then we're also going to top it with more cheese. Can never have enough cheese.
Never.
About 1/4 cup of your favorite hot sauce.
Ooh.
Give or take, so a little more, a little less, depending on how you like it. Buffalo chicken dip. All right, and then we're just going to add 1/2 cup of either ranch or blue cheese dressing, your choice.
Okay.
All right, so you just combine all of that, and that is looking awesome.
And if you start with the softened cream cheese, as you did, it makes it so much easier to mix. It really helps.
Yeah, just bring it out of the fridge, you know, 20, 30 minutes ahead of time, and there you go. And we're just going to add that. So what you do is you bake this in an oven, 400 degrees, for just 20 minutes.
Do we need to grease this first or anything?
No, you do not need to grease it.
Oh, so easy.
So easy.
Okay, so I'm just going to pour this in.
So delicious. Yeah, you're just going to add that right in, and we're going to do that together. Okay. It already looks good.
This came together so fast.
So fast.
I made a mess there.
No, it's all good. That's what's fun about cooking. So yeah, you can find this recipe and our air fryer chili chicken bites on manitobachicken.ca and many other delicious appetizers. So then we just simply top this with a little more grated cheese, and when it comes out of the oven, just a little bit of fresh parsley. I love serving this with crackers and all kinds of wonderful raw veggie sticks. And appetizers, as we know, are
that looks amazing.
Delicious.
And as you mentioned, the recipes are on the website. The other one uses an air fryer. I am not that familiar with air fryers. Everybody tells me I need to have one. You say you use it all the time.
Absolutely love our air fryer. Yeah, its chicken is just nice and tender and juicy, and it cooks quickly, and these are simply divine.
How easy is that? They look delicious. I can't wait to dive in. Thanks so much for sharing, Gina.
Thanks, Terry.
Brought to you by Manitoba Chicken. Discover delicious and nutritious recipes at manitobachicken.ca.